हेलो एवरीवन। सो फ्रेंड्स, आज हमारे इंग्लिश लिटरेचर वन लाइनर सीरीज़ का डे 10 है। सो आइए स्टार्ट करते हैं। ड्राइडन कमेंटेड ऑन चौसर्स कैरेक्टराइजेशन इन द जनरल प्रोलॉग। क्या कमेंट किया है? हेयर इज गॉड्स प्लेंटी। ड्राइडन्स ऑफ ड्रामेटिक पोएजी इज इन द फॉर्म ऑफ अ डायलॉग इन द मैनर ऑफ प्लेटोज रिपब्लिक. Johnson criticized Milton's Lycidas and the poems of Donne and Gray in his Lives of the Poets. So, जॉनसन ने अपने लाइव्स ऑफ द पोएट्स में मिल्टन के लिसिदास को और जॉन डन और ग्रे की पोएम्स को क्रिटिसाइज्ड किया हुआ है. द एसे सप्लीमेंट्री टू द प्रीफेस बाय वर्ड्सवर्थ was published in 1815. Coleridge said that fancy is not a creative power. The father of impressionistic criticism is Coleridge. A poetic play is a long poem in a dramatic monologue. A closet drama is a play meant to be read rather than performed, and famous examples are Milton's Samson Agonistes, Shelley's The Cenci, etc. Shakespearean plays like All's Well That Ends Well, Measure for Measure, Troilus and Cressida, and Hamlet were termed problem plays by Frederick S. Bose. Mrs. Warren's Profession is a problem play by G.B. Shaw. Shaw's Man and Superman is a play based on the Don Juan theme. Shaw's Apple Cart discusses the problem of hollowness of democracy. The author of the famous one-act play Riders to the Sea is J.M. Synge. The theme of Chandalika, a one-act play by Tagore, is based on a Buddhist legend. इनकी चंदालिका वन एक्ट प्ले टैगोर की है, ये बुद्धिस्ट लेजेंड पे बेस्ड है. द वर्ड एसे वॉज डिराइव्ड फ्रॉम एसे विच मीन्स टू मेक एन अटेम्प्ट. चार्ल्स लैम रोट पर्सनल एसेज. चार्ल्स लैम ने पर्सनल एसेज लिखा हुआ है. द रिव्यू, ओरिजिनली टाइटल्ड अ रिव्यू ऑफ द अफेयर्स ऑफ फ्रांस, इज अ periodical journal started by Daniel Defoe and published thrice a week. The Tatler is a periodical started by Richard Steele. Wycliffe translated the Bible into English from Latin. Bacon wrote 58 essays. The journal that was jointly brought out by Edison and Steele is The Spectator. J.B. Priestley published his essays under the title I for One. A.Z. Gardner published his essays under the title Alpha of the Plough. Sir Thomas Malory's Morte d'Arthur, Lilly's Euphors, Sidney's Arcadia, and Lodge's Rosalind are examples of prose romances. Defoe's Moll Flanders and Fielding's Tom Jones are examples of the Picaresque novel. Major heroines in Austen's novels are Elizabeth Bennet in Pride and Prejudice, Eleanor and Mariana in Sense and Sensibility, Fanny Price in Mansfield Park, Catherine Morland in Northanger Abbey, and Anna Elliot. Jane Austen is an important writer of domestic novels. Evelina is a novel by Frances Burney. The author of Westward Ho is Charles Kingsley. Henry Fielding parodied Richardson Pamela in his Joseph Andrews. Bunyan's The Pilgrim's Progress is an allegory. Brighton Rock is a novel by Graham Greene. Happiness is but an occasional episode in the general drama of pain. This sentence appears in Hardy's The Mayor of Casterbridge. Of Human Bondage is an autobiographical novel by Somerset Maugham. Next है The author of Sherlock Holmes' story is Sir Arthur Conan Doyle. Isaac Walton's life contains biographies of Donne, Richard Hooker, and George Herbert. The autobiography of a supertramp is a work by W. H. Davies. The biographer of Queen Victoria is Lytton Strachey. Life of Dickens was written by John Foster. My Experiments with Truth is the autobiography of Mahatma Gandhi. Third Word is an autobiography by David Duchess. Arnold called the aristocracy barbarians, the middle class Philistines, and working class populace. Essays in Criticism was written by Arnold. Studies in the History of the Renaissance is a work by Walter Peter. Criticism is the art of interpreting art, said Walter Peter ने बोला है. Dr. Johnson preferred Shakespearean comedies to his tragedies. The concept of art for art's sake, which was central to the aesthetic movement, was formulated by Oscar Wilde. Art for art's sake was a reaction of the view upheld by Matthew Arnold and Walter Peter that art should be moral and useful to human life. Dr. Johnson remarked about Dryden and English poetry that he found it brick and left it marble. The term New Criticism was popularized by the publication of the book New Criticism by J.C. Ransom in 1941. The figure of speech in which two things are treated as one while comparing them is called metaphor. Life is like a dream is an example of simile. The figure of speech in which lifeless objects or abstract ideas are spoken of as having life and mind is called personification. Okay friend, thank you so much.